As RV ownership has evolved into full-time mobility, securing entry doors without traditional keys has become a priority for both cabin security and traveler convenience. Keyless entry locks for RVs must balance rugged outdoor durability, weather resistance, ease of installation, and flexible access options. Keypad, fob, Bluetooth. List number 1. RV Lock Compact RV Lock Keyless Entry with Remote. The RV Lock Compact combines a keyless handle with an integrated keypad, remote fob up to 10 in theory, and a lightweight exterior designed for right hinge doors. It targets travelers who want a streamlined, compact profile without sacrificing the core features of RV Lock security technology. At $119.99, it sits just below the V4 line and emphasizes simplicity and compatibility with a range of trailer configurations, including fifth wheels and bumper pull units. Key selling points include over 1 million rolling codes, included 4AA batteries, and a quick installation that claims about 10 minutes. Performance-wise, the compact form factor contributes to lower weight and potentially easier retrofits on smaller doors, including glass door variants that require careful mounting due to the lighter exterior. The integration of a remote fob alongside a keypad provides flexible access modes, but the absence of a second keypad or Bluetooth connectivity may limit some modern smart home style workflows. The product's durability is reinforced by a corrosion-resistant metal core and high-strength exterior, yet users should verify hinge compatibility, right-side hinges, and ensure fit confirmation on the manufacturer's site before purchase. List number 2. RV Lock V4 Premium Metal RV Door Lock with Keypad. The V4 is RV Lock's flagship premium model, priced at $159.99, featuring a heavier metal build, keypad, remote fobs, and weatherproofing. It emphasizes durability, long battery life, 6 to 9 months, as claimed, and a broad compatibility footprint across trailers, fifth wheels, bumper pulls, and various camper configurations. What sets it apart is the combination of keypad and remote options in a robust housing, designed for more demanding environments and frequent use. In practice, the V4's enhanced durability translates to more confidence in high-traffic RV sites and extreme weather. The package includes 2 remote fobs with a substantial range, over 100 feet, 2 X Series keys, and hardware for installation, plus support from a US-based team. Some users might prefer a lighter plug-and-play option, as the V4's larger form and heavier weight require more space on door panels. Battery life and weatherproofing contribute to dependable performance, though the higher price point should be weighed against the added peace of mind and scale of features.
List number 3. Onace Full Metal RV Keyless Entry Door Lock. The Onace Full Metal model emphasizes complete all-metal construction with a 32-digit backlit keypad, remote fob functionality, and a hidden mechanical key backup. It targets users who value maximum keypad flexibility, anti-peep feature, and a robust, weather-ready build at a budget-friendly price of $109.99. The product includes 2 lithium-based batteries, a 2-year warranty, and an all-in-one installation kit for standard openings, 3.75 inches by 2.75 inches by 1.5 inches. Performance-wise, the 32-digit keypad with anti-peep functionality improves security in shared camping environments. The dual unlocking modes, fob and keypad, plus a mechanical backup offer redundancy, reducing lockout risk. The exterior measurements suggest compatibility with many standard RV doors, while the all-metal construction supports durability under road vibrations and weather exposure. The included installation tools promote self-installation, though users should confirm hinge orientation and door opening dimensions before purchasing.
List number 4. Onace RV Door Lock Replacement Full Metal RV Keyless Entry Door Lock with 10-digit keypad. This Onace variant emphasizes a simpler keypad with a 10-digit layout, dual-door remote control, and backup mechanical key, offered at $119.99. It is clearly designed for owners needing control over 2 doors from a single fob, which can simplify multi-door RVs. The 6.3 by 4.7-inch exterior footprint aligns with standard RV openings, and the model ships with installation tools for straightforward upgrades.
From a user experience angle, the dual-door remote is a standout feature for RVs with 2 entry points, reducing the need to carry multiple remotes. The anti-peeping capability and backlit keypad aid usability at night, though this model notes batteries are not included, which users should plan for. 2 lithium-based cells are required. The child safety mode is a practical addition for family use, but the larger device size may influence the door's visual profile on some aesthetics-conscious RVs.
List number 5. RV door lock keyless entry with remote. CamJoke's model is a feature-rich option priced at $127.96, offering a touchscreen keypad, Bluetooth app control, remote fob, and a mechanical backup key. It targets users who want modern connectivity, Bluetooth, alongside traditional keyless features, with a zinc alloy body designed for weather resistance and durability. The product notes compatibility caveats, only suitable for doors with right-side hinges and not for Class A or Class C RVs with specific hole cutout dimensions. In practice, the blend of Bluetooth and touchscreen keypad with a 100-foot remote range provides flexibility for varying access needs and convenience for multi-user scenarios. The weather-resilient all-metal construction and USB-like maintenance hints suggest strong long-term performance. Potential drawbacks include the caveat about door compatibility, not for glass doors, and a slightly heavier footprint, 7.5 by 5.3 by 3.5 inches. The included 4 AA batteries simplify initial setup, but Bluetooth operation will require battery power management to prevent mid-trip dead zones.